Katie, give me a thumbs up. We're going to jail. What's up, gentlemen? So today's video is a little bit different. I'm actually at my house. I've got a bunch of people here. What's up? And we are filming some commercials for Pete and Pedro. As you can see, we got a lot of gear. We got Christian, we got Heather, we got Mike Levy, marketing director, Dave, the man behind. What do you do, Dave?
I do social media, a bunch of stuff.
I'm kidding. Dave is like the Swiss Army knife of Pete and Pedro. Anyway, we're here at my house. The actors are about to arrive. We have been planning this video shoot for a few months now. We've got two different concepts we want to try. One is for our ball powder and is definitely going to, I think, be some of the best work we've ever done. And then we also have an incredible texture powder video. The name of the game when it comes to e-commerce is to create some type of content that's going to bring awareness that could potentially be shared or people could engage with. And if people engage with it, then boom, they're gonna buy your stuff, right? A great example of what we're trying to do is kind of that Dr. Squatch sort of thing, right? Do you guys remember when Dr. Squatch kind of became like a thing? You'd watch like pretty much any YouTube video about men's lifestyle and you'd see Dr. Squatch commercials. The interesting thing about Dr. Squatch is that they were in business for like 4 or 5 years doing like $2 or $3 million before they basically had this new marketing initiative. They basically changed their entire brand identity. And it was all stemmed from this amazing content that they were generating. And one of the things that we have not done super well at Pete and Pedro is create new, fresh, exciting content. Now, the one thing I'm very proud of is that Pete and Pedro, we do an incredible job with putting out content. Like every day we're putting out pieces of content, whether or not it's on YouTube, it's Instagram, it's Facebook, it's TikTok, which is great. But it's this virality that we are seeking, we're searching for. And we really haven't done an amazing job in terms of like branding and really giving you a feel or a flavor of what we're about, right? You know that we're about, amazing hair products and affordable prices and stuff like that, but what is the spirit? And I really feel like we are a quirky, fun brand that doesn't take itself too seriously, and we want to show that by creating content that highlights some of our better products in a fun, playful manner. And so we really feel strongly that these two products, the ball powder and the texture powder, are two things that we can really kind of exploit and do well at. The truth is there aren't many companies, even if they have sold ball powder, they really didn't do a good job basically creating content around that. And it's such an amazing opportunity, and we've really got some incredible concepts that we think can really kind of like hit it and knock it out of the park. Now, will it convert to sales? I've got no idea. That is still open to figure out, which we are hoping to figure out in the next few months. Texture powder is another one of those products that we at Pete and Pedro are very, very confident about. It's a fast-growing product. We're killing it on Amazon with it, and texture powder is kind of like the new kid on the hairstyling block. Everybody's using it. Everybody's talking about it. Dave, let me see a texture powder. So this is the texture powder that I'm talking about. If you guys haven't tried this, I've got a link along with a special code. Actually, we're gonna do it. Why don't we do a special deal for the Empire? What do you think?
Let's do it.
What do you think? How much? What, Mike? What's the deal?
25%.
25%? What?
Let's do it.
We never do that.
That's okay.
20, you heard it from the man. He's the marketing director, and he says, what's that?
I can afford that.
You can afford that. I know, anybody can afford that. Right now, limited time. If you want to check out anything at Pete and Pedro, we got a link down below. Also, a discount code for 25% off. It's only for like a day or two?
2 days.
2 days. All right, so
48 hours.
48 hours, that's it. 48 hours. If you want to try this product, do it now. If you want to try the natural deodorant, best natural deodorant on the market, and this is actually a fact. And then we also got the ball powder. Gentlemen, if you want your balls to smell as good as mine, yeah, exactly. Tracy, how good do my balls smell?
Oh my God, they're so delicious.
Gentlemen, you heard it there. The Alpha Spicy Senorita. My balls smell delicious. If you want your balls to smell delicious, guys, hit the link down below. We got everything listed. 25% off for 48 hours only. Anyway, this texture powder, like I was saying, this stuff is like magic, right? All you do, you sprinkle a little bit, That's actually too much. In your hair, work it in, boom, right? Crazy volume, crazy texture, crazy separation. This stuff is a must try. If you guys haven't tried a texture powder, give it a try. You have to use it in dry hair in order for it to be effective. You don't want to do it in like damp hair, don't do that. But when your hair is dry, no product or with the sea salt spray in, just sprinkle a little bit of that action, mess it up, guys. Your hair is going to be sexy, fresh, and looking amazing. Right, Mike?
Hell yeah.
Dave?
Best hair product ever.
Best hair product ever. And once again, Tracy, how my balls smell?
Second.
My balls smell so good. Do yours?
Yeah, it's more dominant.
That is
framing.
more. I think I need to live by myself
So it'd
first,
be
though. Yeah, because I really
like that.
Yeah.
What do you think, Mike?
I think this is going to be a great shoot.
Look at this. Look at that. Look how clean. The first shot right there.
On action, and then that's it. Okay. But land it so it's perfect. Yeah, squared.
Do we need
Here we go. Rolling and action. Jaw relaxes. 3, 2, 1. Ding ding.
It's perfect.
All right, figure out my framing here. Heather, we might need that key light. Rolling and action.
Hey.
Hey, wow, you look great. Come on in.
All right, here we go. Camera rolling and action.
Got your flowers. Is it these?
It's not those.
All right, cut. Action.
I'm wearing my new cologne. Is it this?
No, it's even better.
Cut. That's great. You got like.
This is gonna be so funny. I can't even tell you.
A little behind the scenes action here. A lot of people in this bedroom.
We needed an intimacy coordinator.
Yeah, so this will all make sense later, but right now it's a little weird. Levy, hold my watch. All right.
This is the least weird.
I need the, yeah, this is the, I probably need to put a t-shirt on because my sleeves. This is, yeah, this is like, this is the least weird thing that we've done all day. Shopping.
And we need you to make sound effects too.
We no shopping. Dave, Mike, and I yesterday went into Target because we needed to buy like a red bra, red underwear. Nothing weird to see here, you know. Just three regular dudes shopping for bras and panties in Target. But anyway, we're gonna do this.
Just another day at the office.
Okay.
All right, everyone, step out of frame.
You want this point? You want to?
Yeah, that's good. Hold it there, Heather. You read my mind. Okay, let's roll on this one. Camera rolling, action Aaron.
So the first video has wrapped. Took about 3 hours, and it's only going to be like a 45-second commercial. We are now trying to film the second commercial, and is everything going well?
Always.
Yeah? Oh yeah. Yeah?
Oh yeah, look at this. Beauty light.
I'm telling you, texture powder and chest hair. It works.
First is the worst, second's the best, third's the one with the hairy chest.
Looks really good. That's perfect. What happened?
She's gonna go like this, and there's nothing there. It's a little cheesy.
Oh, I got her watch. All right, gentlemen, that is officially a wrap on the day. It's getting dark outside. It's 6 o'clock. We've been going for about 7 hours. Actually, you got here at like 10.
Yep.
So 8 hours of filming. How'd it go?
It was hilarious and amazing.
Christian?
What she said.
Okay, you two?
We got some winners.
Get ready for these videos. They're crazy.
So I literally can't wait for you guys to see like what the finished product actually looks like. I'm gonna post it here on the channel. really good. And I'm excited. You know, this is something that we had to do, I feel, at Pete and Pedro in order to really just like take it to that next level. You know, things are getting harder when it comes to business. Advertising, it's getting more expensive. Competitors, there's more competitors. And so you've got to figure out ways to basically push the needle and just try different things to see what connects and what resonates. And so for us at Pete and Pedro, this coming year is going to be really about content and doing the things that we've done well, but do it better, and really just take some calculated risks without going too crazy. And so this was our first experiment doing it, and it was really cool that the boys from Pete and Pedro were here with me in order to help and oversee it and bring their idea, creativity to the table. Tomorrow is our holiday party, and we are going to feast like gentlemen. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Born ready to feast.
Born ready. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Any final words?
Seafood Tower.
Seafood Tower. We'll take two.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Guys, thanks for watching. See you next week.